Bit of a different video this time. This is a book unboxing because this channel is, after all, everything book reviews, and I decided to buy the entire collection of Game of Thrones, or A Song of Ice and Fire, and I've just opened the box and this is the first thing I see. Now I'm gonna open it and have a look. It looks nice. I'm pretty excited, and that's one of the reasons I'm making this video. Usually it's book reviews, but I thought this has something to do with books, so why not? Let's have a look. Okay, are you ready? We're going to see it before I do. There we go. There it is. You can buy this on Amazon. I'm not making any... Sorry, the video cut short there. I'm having a few technical issues as usual. So here is a close-up of each of the books in case anyone is interested. So first we have A Game of Thrones, which I'm actually listening to as an audiobook right now because they have like an offer on Audible, and you can get the first month free with that book. So that came before this box set, and I thought might as well listen to it. Then there is A Clash of Kings, and that's what that looks like. Quite a nice set. And then you've got A Storm of Swords. I've not actually properly looked at this, even though the video stops. I wanted to save like my actual reactions for the video. So then you've got A Storm of Swords 2. The first one was called Steel and Snow, then Blood and Gold. So they look like really nice quality books. Got A Feast for Crows, and A Dance of Dragons, Dreams and Dust, and A Dance of Dragons After the Feast. So that's these last two. So there it is, and I'll make one last section of this just showing what they look like individually. Okay, so this is what the first book looks like. And that is called A Game of Thrones. The second book is A Clash of the King, or A Clash of Kings, my bad. And then we've got the blurb there. It's a nice colour, that one. And then A Storm of Swords. And that was A Storm of Swords, Steel and Snow. This is A Storm of Swords, Blood and Gold. So there we have it. Then A Feast for Crows. This again has a very nice colour cover. Feel free to pause the video at any point if you want to read the blurb. Then A Dance with Dragons, Dreams and Dust. So these are all brand new books. Very nice covers. I'm going to take the time to admire them a bit more once the video is over myself. So then A Dance with Dragons, again After the Feast. So we have a very nice cover again. Quite like the sort of sheen of them, the way that they're not completely black or completely red, they're sort of like a mixed colour. So there we have it. And what else comes in this box set is this box and a map, like something you can hang on your wall. So that's pretty cool. map of Westeros. So there we have it. Thank you for watching the video. Drop us a like if you enjoyed, and this channel is for generally book reviews, but if you like a bit of the other book content, let me know, and thank you for watching.